Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and today we've installed the new Starline Halo Plus on this 2021 Velar. So as the usual immobiliser, if someone hops in, tries to steal the vehicle by selecting a gear, it's going to switch off. But on the Halo Plus it does something a bit more advanced. So it's a silent immobiliser for the first stall, so it stalls, nothing happens, but the customer's phone will be alerted, so first they get a phone call and they'll also get a text message. As you can see, customer's got a message. Now if the thief tries to steal it a second time, it's going to be a loud immobiliser. So they select a gear, the horn goes absolutely mad, and the customer gets notified again. With this going off, you can either present the customer's phone with Bluetooth or go through a push sequence. With the push sequence, we've disarmed the system. So for the customer to drive this in a day-to-day manner, and obviously have it not stall and immobilised, they can present their phone with Bluetooth, it can be locked and in their pocket, and the system will disarm. So they hop into the vehicle, phone in their pocket, no need to do anything different, start it up, we'll get 2 bleeps which confirms it's immobilised. It's disarmed. So now we select our gear, vehicle doesn't stall, it can be driven like normal. If they don't have a phone with them, and they want to start the vehicle and drive it, whether their phone's gone flat one day, or they've lost it, what they'll want to do is start it up and use the push sequence. So start it up. For the video we've kept it at 1, 2, 3. Disarm melody. There we go. Now it can be driven. So this can use either the phone or the push sequence to disarm, and if that's not present, then it stalls. So once again, if a thief hops in it, first selection of gear is a silent immobiliser which alerts the customer for a phone call and a text. And the second one, if they try it again, will sound the horn, also notify the customer for a second time, and the vehicle won't start. The only way to silence it is with the push sequence. If you want one of these installed, we're Immobiliser Fit, and our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.